What's going on, guys? It's K-Dub here with another episode of Crypto Zombie. It's Friday. It's the weekend. Shout out to everyone that's been liking, subscribing, and commenting. You guys are awesome. If you missed my video the other day, I was kind of just hanging out on the beach. You know, I was riding bikes, talking about crypto and stuff. So if you didn't catch that out, it was kind of a first for me. That being said, I'm back. How's everybody going? If we have a look at the markets today, we have $268 billion market cap. It was a little bit lower this morning, so that's why we are seeing some of this red, although it has gone up slightly since I woke up. If we have a look at the overall change, Cortex doing quite well today, 9%, followed by Ardor, 8 shares, Ethereum Classic, KuCoin, MadeSafe, Maker, GX, and Augur. Interestingly enough, I was supposed to speak with Cortex, but they wanted to do the interview while I was celebrating the 4th of July. Internet sucked. Really funny how they're doing the best today. That's very, very interesting to me. So anyway, moving on, what is the issue? So Ethereum's growing gas crisis and what's being done to stop it. So this is an article that came out from CoinDesk. I'll drop a link in the description. You can kind of have a little bit of a read, see what's been going on. As you can see right here, a lot of people are basically blaming this exchange FCoin, which if you don't know what that is, I actually went into detail in my video from yesterday, but look at what's happening. So basically you're having these gas prices, as you can see right here, super high, currently at about 71 gwei, whereas like not even a week and a half ago, we were seeing maybe 2, 3. Now we're seeing 71, okay? You can also see it as well on Etherscan. So that's basically the issue. It's still ongoing. If you guys don't know what FCoin is, there's this really good article, kind of goes into it, helps you to maybe understand their voting process for the coins, what it's doing to the network, why this is happening, okay? So this is an ongoing situation. We're going to have to figure out what is going on, how we're going to tackle this. Okay, the other thing too is we have seen trading volumes up on all the major exchanges. So we've seen Binance trading jump up to about 130%, and you have Huobi up to 104%, and at the same time, they've seen BitHum increase to over 230%. So as you can see right here, with the exception of ZB.com, virtually everything is up massively, which means, are the bulls back, right? Is everyone buying? The volume's up. Some people are saying, well, what if it's manipulated volume? Okay, fine, fair enough. But I would consider this to be somewhat of a good thing. That means people are trading. That means crypto is starting to kind of get moving, get the wheels going again, right? So it is a good thing. Also, I wanted to talk about some good news. So you have breakthrough. South Korea will officially legalize cryptocurrency and blockchain-based industries. So this is like the opposite of Korea FUD, right? So basically, it says, for the first time in history, the government of South Korea has officially recognized crypto exchanges, regulated financial institutions, and banks. Local publications in South Korea have reported that the financial authorities of South Korea have finalized their plans to categorize crypto exchanges as an industry called cryptocurrency exchange and brokerage to enable trading platforms to perform at a large capacity with support from local authorities. In short term, the newly created regulatory framework for cryptocurrency exchanges may have a negative impact on both the trading platforms and investors because it would mean stricter KYC, know your customer, and AML, anti-money laundering, and customer verification policies. However, in the long run, local analysts have stated that the decision of the government to legitimize the cryptocurrency sector will lead to large-scale institutional investors and retail traders entering the crypto market, allowing digital assets to be considered as an emerging asset class. So that is very good news as well. Also, I remember on the live stream the other day, I was asking, what do you think is going to finally be that catalyst to really push to get the bulls back in the market? So many people were talking about ETFs. Well, now you have coming out from Bloomberg Crypto, Europe's largest trader of ETFs is moving into crypto. So if we have a look right here, it says speed traders jump into crypto bets opposed by Watchdog. Flow Traders NV, an Amsterdam-based speed trader, is making markets in the first exchange-traded notes based on Bitcoin and Ether. XBT Provider, an issuer of crypto ETNs listed in Sweden, said that the Dutch company has dramatically increased trading of its securities in the last few months. While 5 big USB traders are already making markets in cryptocurrency futures or the underlying currencies, Amsterdam-based Flow Traders is the first firm anywhere to disclose its buying and selling crypto notes listed on regulated stock exchanges. Publicly traded notes or funds would broaden the appeal of virtual money as an asset class by providing a straightforward and cheaper way of investing in the likes of Bitcoin and Ether. So if you guys think that the ETFs are the catalyst, this may be potentially what we are waiting for. Now, here's an interesting turn of events. YouTube now a defendant in the law against Bitconnect. Yeah, guys, Bitconnect is still in the news. How many months later is it? So according to Bitconnect's website, they blame the closing of the they basically said that they shut down because of continued bad press surrounding the platform. They also had 2 cease and desist letters from regulators and multiple DDoS attacks on their site. I don't know if the DDoS attacks were real or not, but they did happen. So the initial class action suit was filed on January 24th by 6 victims who lost over $770,000 to Bitconnect. The lawsuit claimed that Bitconnect issued non-registered securities and ran a wide-ranging Ponzi scheme, which essentially they did run a Ponzi scheme, where the platform paid out old investors with new investor money. So the lawsuit claims that if YouTube had done an appropriate search, it would have delisted the fraudulent Bitconnect videos and minimize the number of victims. Instead, thousands were defrauded, including those listed in the suite. And then you also have David Silver of Silver Miller saying that this case is not about YouTube being the speaker of publisher of the content on its website. Instead, liability is predicated on YouTube's failure to act after learning from content directly published on YouTube of the readily foreseeable harm posed by its advertising partners. As the old saying goes, sometimes when you lie down with the dogs, you get fleas. And guys, I think pretty much for the most part, with the exception of, well, I'm not going to name the YouTubers that were basically promoting this, but pretty much the rest of us were all telling you guys it was a scam. Everyone knew it was a scam. You know, so, but here's the thing. Here's the problem. Could this potentially affect crypto? Okay, so you have the crypto ads on Facebook. They're banned, right? But what happens if this turns out really, really negatively? Like, is my channel going to get banned because I'm the crypto zombie, you know? Are other crypto channels going to get banned? Are they just going to ban it all? Or are they going to pay more attention to, you know, people saying, hey, there's like 500 videos out here saying that's a scam. So we'll have to see what comes out of that as well. So let's talk about some coins today, guys. So first we have Dent getting listed on Binance. So, yep. That was pretty exuberant, and now we are currently seeing the return to Earth. At one point, I think it almost was up to 100%. So that's basically that. So check this out. Monaco, the guys that have the cryptocurrency credit cards, debit cards, whatever, they are now Crypto.com. I don't know how these guys acquired Crypto.com. I assume that took a lot of money. But essentially, there you go. So Monaco is now available at Crypto.com. They are rolling out all of their cards. As you can see right here, there's all different kinds of cards you guys could get. Yeah, Obsidian Black, Icy White, Royal Indigo, Jade Green. They all have different rewards, different situations, what you have to hold, etc., etc. So it says you could sign up and order your MCO card right here from the Apple Store, Google Play. And the interesting thing too is that they actually have a video of somebody using the card right here to pay. So here's an actual example of somebody paying with the card. Not really anything different than what you're used to. It's literally just you put the card in. But so that's pretty interesting. Yeah, so there you go. Receipt. And I was kind of surprised that the price really didn't jump. I don't know if this is a buy the rumor, sell the news thing, but that's the news coming out of Monaco. We also have a lot from Waltonchain. So they came out with 2 of these videos. They have introducing Waltonchain's WTC-Garmet based system, the world's first blockchain-based high-end clothing authenticity traceability system. Let me just mute this so we can see the video. So we basically have this right here. Really, really well shot. I mean, I have to say, the whole cinematography, they talk about the smart changing rooms. And then here's the big kicker, guys. Here is the one that really just knocked my socks off, okay? We have WTC-Food system by Walton. So, guys, we have Waltonchain now moving into food, supply chain, logistics. This is huge. This is really going to rattle up the space. If Walton moves into this space as well, they're going to be really covering a lot of different ground, and that's going to be really difficult for some of these other guys. But then again, there is a lot of competition. We do have Origin Trail. We do have T-Food. But Walton is definitely stepping their game up. We also have NEO releasing another one of these kind of announcements, which is pretty cool how they do this. So they say, from ant shares to NEO, step by step, the vision of smart economy is becoming a reality. The launch of NEO 3.0 will be a major milestone in this process. In the ancient wisdom of Taoists, 3 is the birth of all things. With NEO 3.0, it brings a future unlimited. So that's more cryptic messages from NEO. Also coming out of NEO, I wanted to talk about the Alchemint airdrop. So in a nutshell, they're working in partners with O3 Labs, which is the mobile NEO wallet on your phone. Essentially, it says to register for the airdrop, users must download the O3 app on iOS or Android and visit the news feed. A sign-up page is available where users can register to participate. At least 25 NEO must be held in the registrant's O3 wallet, with a snapshot taken at 2 a.m. CT on July 12th. The first 5,000 registrants will receive an airdrop of 50 SDT per wallet. So I don't know what this stablecoin is pegged to. So if it's 50 SDT, is that 50 US dollars? Have to look into that. But if you guys are interested, that's a potential airdrop. Although 25 NEO, what is NEO currently at right now? So 25 NEO is $38. Yeah, all right. So that's up to you guys if you think that holding 25 NEO for that amount is worth that airdrop. Totally up to you guys. But I would just hold NEO anyway for the gas, and because I think NEO is going to do really well. But that's just my opinion, guys, not financial advice. So in other news, we also have Status and OmiseGO having a partnership. So the partnership will see Status work closely with the OmiseGO team to ensure seamless integration of their DEX, as well as collaboration in scalability research. The partnership extends well past the immediate product future benefits and looks ahead to the advancement of the Web3 ecosystem. Also, so over here on Reddit, I noticed this post. It says StellarX, a new trading platform built on the Stellar Universal Marketplace. They said, we are free, we're refunding network fees and using Luminant.net to get every user her inflation. And of course, being on Stellar, we're super fast. We'll list every token on Stellar, provided the issuers do stuff like complete their TOML. So that means you'll be trading crypto, fiat, commodities, whatever ones we launch. And basically, this is it right here. So it's StellarX.com. I guess you just enter your email here and you can request an invite. I have not tried this or looked into it myself. I just found out about this. So if you guys are interested, give it a shot. Let me know. I'm not sure. Tell me how it works. Also, let's talk about Elastos. Normally, I would never talk about hiring somebody on a team, but I was pretty interested because they have Luis Lavera. They added him to the advisory board. He's the current managing director at Bosch Ventures and has over 17 years experience in the high-tech industry, so I thought that was pretty awesome to mention. We also have Deepbrain Chain, so they have a promo video for their Germany meetup. So this is apparently a totally free event. So if you go to their Twitter and you click on this, I think it's a free event. So this is the video right here. Joya Hodl, she's talking about it. Also in the beginning, video ended. They go into a little bit of a description and an overview. Yeah, so if you guys are interested, I'll definitely drop a link in the description as well. If you find yourself in the Germany area, it's totally free, so you could definitely get involved. Also, there's this interesting video on Vimeo where they basically asked these people about why EOS needed the 4 billion, what they were going to do, et cetera, et cetera. Some people are saying that there was all these salty comments, remarks, and that these 7 people couldn't really answer, whatever. I'll just leave a link in the description. Kind of tired of talking about EOS. There's just too much too much separation in tribalism. So, I mean, it is what it is. Hey, you know, guys, whatever. But check the video out if you're interested. I wanted to end on a kind of cool note, though. I thought this was a really awesome story. So, guys, check this out. So, we know the issues that's been going on in Venezuela lately. We know the insane inflation. You know, $100 last year is less than a penny this year. Horrible, horrible situation. So, check out this cool story. On Sunday, a Venezuelan Reddit user with the username Windows7733 made a post basically talking about a cryptocurrency donation that he received. He said, I got 0.5 nano, which obviously isn't really that much to us, from someone who helped me in my current situation. He says, currently living in Venezuela, 0.5 nano is almost one entire monthly salary in my country. It's more than I made last month. I've been doing a quick research into the cryptocurrency, and it fits very well for my entire country. I'm going to read more about this, and hopefully I'll tell about Nano to friends who would want to use it. And then also, it says he was prompted to post his Nano address later, and after receiving overwhelming support, to which then he received over 230 nano as donations from 50 users. That's around $600 as of the time of writing the article. So he wrote, thank you so much for helping me. I never expected this to go like this. It really moves my heart for your generosity. Not only will I buy food for me, my relatives, but also I will help others with the money, especially some neighbors needing antibiotics that they can't afford. After the post, the user went silent for a couple days, leaving some to wonder where he went. However, 4 days after the post, he came back and issued a follow-up. He said, first of all, I apologize for not being around lately. I've been busy working and preparing everything to start sending food to neighbors and other communities, as I told before. He went on to explain what he spent the nano on. He said he purchased 102 kilograms of food using 29 nano, roughly $77 to pay it forward, offering food and financial support to relatives, friends, and neighbors. Guys, how cool is this? Seriously. Then he says, thank you so much. I can't express in words how I'm feeling today. It's amazing what this Reddit community is doing for my family, my neighbors, and all these people in need. Nano could change their lives, and I will help them know and use Nano. This is already improving and changing the lives for the better. So guys, this is freaking awesome. This is crypto in the mainstream. This is what it's all about. This is what I got into it for. This is what I love. Changing the world. This is the ability of blockchain. And yes, okay, some people may have some concerns about, I mean, I had some concerns back in the day myself about Nano, block lattice. It's still in its infancy. We don't really know the vulnerabilities. We don't know the security, holes exactly 100%. But guys, this is amazing. I don't care what cryptocurrency it is. I don't care if it's Dash, EOS, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Nano. Does not matter to me. This is what it's about. And yeah, just got to talk about these stories, man. You got to look at the brighter side of things. Yeah, it's all about making money, moon, Lambo, all this. But that to me is what it's really about. Also, one final thing. So I will be doing a live interview with VITE. They are an up-and-coming project. Really, really excited about this, guys. They're using DAG Ledger, and their what really drew it to me was their advisor, Daniel Wang from Loopring. I really respect Daniel. I like what he does. He's a really great guy. So we will be doing a live stream Monday. The reason that I'm telling you this now is I'm not going to give away too much, but I just want to say you guys might want to attend this one. There might be some surprises in store. So that's Monday night. We're not sure if we're going to do it 8 p.m. or 9 p.m. Eastern time. So just kind of, follow me on Twitter. It's at the Crypto Zombie if you guys want, and we can definitely get that out to you when I figure out what's going on. But it should be fun. That being said, you guys are awesome. Thank you so much for coming back to the channel. I really appreciate it. It's Friday. It's the weekend. Go out, enjoy yourself. It's a little bit of a gloomy, rainy day over here in New York. But, that being said, can't have a sunny day every day, guys, right? Can't have a moonshot Lambo day every day, guys, right? So thanks so much for coming back to my channel. You guys are awesome. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Join the Telegram. Drop me a comment. I love to read everything that you guys have to say. My name is K-Dub. This is Crypto Zombie. Until next time, stay crypto and peace out.